Cartwheel to duck walk. Start in a squat and jump into your cartwheel. Land with one leg and don't put the other foot down and swing it around into your duck walk. At this point on the landing, you're going to need to resist the floor and your weight in order to land with control, and you're going to have enough strength to jump yourself back up into your cartwheel. This movement will also require you to have good familiarity with the duck walk and the balance required for this pattern, as well as aptitude with the cartwheel. So keep the shoulders pushed out and make sure you anticipate the landing with the landing leg in order to control the descent and the movement. Use the free leg on the way up as well to help jump you up into the cartwheel and get a little bit of height, and the shoulders need to remain strong and pushed out in order to control the top side and landing of the cartwheel. Try your best not to put the back foot down at all on the floor. However, if you feel you need a little bit of support, instead of keeping it off the floor, you can slide it along the floor to help out.